Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, Verma, can you say in the digestive system related to the gastrointestinal tract, what happens? When the food enters into the mouth, what happens? Ayeshri Devarma, can you say? Kelvin? Kelvin, can you say? What happened? What about Nafishisha? Nafishisha, can you hear me? Srijana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please say what happens? From where it starts?
It starts from the mouth and ends in the anus.
Okay, it starts with the mouth and ends in the anus. Okay, what happens in the mouth? I mean, as the food enters in the mouth, so with the help of what? Like, it will get, like, it will break down into smaller pieces, right? So how it will
Yes, ma'am.
happen? How it will happen? Can you
By
please
the process of mastication.
mastication? So who will help in masticating?
Ma'am, teeth.
The teeth. Okay. And after that, what will happen? The food will get.
And the food mixes with the saliva produced by the salivary gland, which makes the food easy to swallow.
Okay, then.
Then after that, it goes to the esophagus.
Esophagus. Okay. After that,
Then in the esophagus, the food is pushed down through a web series of web-like movement called peristalsis.
peristalsis. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, next, Sajjada. Sajjada. Can you hear me, Sajjada? Sajjada Devarma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, what will happen?
Ma'am, I didn't hear properly because my network is not good.
Okay, so just now, Srijana, she said about the esophagus. So as the food enters in the mouth, so what happens with the help of the teeth? It will help in masticating the food. It is what it will break down into smaller pieces. It will
I
break
can't
down
hear you.
into. You can't hear me.
Ma'am, your
Hello.
voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice is
Voice.
not clear.
What about others? Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, others?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Is it clear? My voice.
Ma'am.
Okay, Miracle. If your network is good and everything is clear, can you please say, as the food enters in the mouth, with the help of the teeth, it will help to masticate in the food. That is, it will break down into smaller particles, and with the help of the tongue, like it will help the food to swallow as well as chewing the food. And the salivary glands, they help in lubricating the food. That is, it will be easy to swallow the food. After that, you will go to esophagus, and the food will move like a wave, which is known as peristalsis movement. After that, what will happen? Miracle,
After
miracle.
to the spectral at the stomach.
Oh yes, stomach. After that,
After the stomach, it will go to the small intestine.
okay, okay. Can you tell me something about the stomach? Like the stomach is, what is the shape of the stomach, and what is the function of the stomach?
It is a G-shaped muscular sac, has the inner fold,
Please,
increased
G
surface
or
area
J?
of the
Okay, miracle. Can you please say it is G or J shape?
J-shape.
J, J or G?
Yes,
Can you actually your
J,
pronunciation
ma'am.
to J? Okay, so continue.
The stomach perform mechanical digestion by chewing or by troubling the bolus and mix it with the gastric juice excreted by the lining of the stomach. It has a gastric juice that is HCl that help breaking down of the food and kill bacteria that came along with the food. The bolus is now called chyme.
Fine. Okay. Okay. After stomach, where will it go?
To the small intestine.
Okay. Okay. Tell me something about the small intestine.
Small intestine is a 22-foot long muscular tube that breaks down the food using enzyme released by the pancreas and bile from the liver. It
Okay.
has three segments. The first one is duodenum, the second one is jejunum, and the third one is ileum.
Hmm.
Duodenum is the largest responsible for the continuous breakdown process. Jejunum and ileum is the lowest in the intestine are mainly responsible for absorption of nutrients in the bloodstream.
Hmm. After that,
The parasites like this is also in the moving it
can you
from
please
the
speak a bit louder? Improve your voice.
okay, ma'am.
Can you please higher your pitch? Actually,
After that, it will go to the
pancreas. Okay. What will happen in the pancreas?
The pancreas excreted digestive enzyme into the duodenum that break down the proteins, fat, and carbohydrate. The pancreas also make insulin, passing it directly into the bloodstream. Insulin is the chief hormone is in your body for metabolizing sugar. After that, it will go to the liver. Liver is the second largest organs in human body and the largest glands. Is weighted average of 1,500 gram. Liver has many functions, but its main job within the digestive system is to process the nutrient absorbed from the small intestine. Bile from the bile from the liver excreted into the small intestine also play an important role in digesting fat and some vitamins. The liver also detoxify the potential harmful chemical is break down and excrete many drugs that can be toxic to the body.
Which is known as
Yes, ma'am.
removal of toxins from our body is known as
Detoxify
detoxification. Okay, or else detoxify. Okay, so the liver, it has how many lobes?
for
Four lobes. Okay, can you name them?
right lobe, left lobe, card-
Sagittal lobe
lobe and
and quadrant.
yes, ma'am.
Quadrant lobe. Okay. Okay. So you please end it up. After that, it will go to where?
After the liver, it will go to the gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder store Gallbladder store and contracting bile from the liver and then release it into the duodenum in the small intestine to help absorb the nutrients fat. After so that is will go to the large intestine. Large intestine or the colon is responsible for processing waste so that emptying the bowel is easy and convince it's it's a 6 foot long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum. The, small, the large intestine has parts: sacrum, the vermiform appendix that is attached to the sacrum. Sacrum is a which include the and function of the colon is to absorb water, but it also contains bacteria that produce beneficial vitamins like vitamin K. And after colon will go rectum. Rectum, the stool or the waste left over from the digestive process, it passes through the colon by means of the peristalsis, first in a liquid state and unlimitedly in the solid form. The rectum is a straight inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus. The rectum job is to receive the stool from the colon. And then they
Okay.
will go
Anus.
to the anus.
Okay. Okay. So anus is voluntary or involuntary? Health.
Voluntary.
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 Voluntary means what is the meaning of voluntary?
Means
Uh-huh.
control.
Which you can control. Okay. So, okay, I will say one example like for babies, they just pass through. It's not it. They can't even control it. They just pass it. Why? Because the illness, it's not matured. So that's why it happens. But as they grow older, what happens? They can control as well as like they have that sense, right? Like yes, I need to pass through. That's why I can control. Suppose in the medium of the road, also like if you have to pass through, what happens? They can control it. So with the help of that one, which is known as voluntary, they help in controlling that thing. If you understand everyone,
Ma'am.
um, can you hear my voice? Miracle,
Yes, ma'am.
it's clear, right?
Yes,
Compared
ma'am.
compared to compared to yesterday's class, today my voice is better, right? I mean, network.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is everyone clear about the gastrointestinal tract, also known as the digestive system? Is everyone clear? Please speak out. If it is not clear, then I will repeat again. Dennis, write in the chat box if you are not clear. Is it clear,
Can you
everyone?
repeat, ma'am?
Repeat. Okay. organs. Hollow organs means like the hole is there, so there's something will enter. That's why it's known as hollow organs. And it starts, and they are like a tube. They are like a tube, so that the food can enter inside. That's why it is also known as a tube. And it starts from where? It starts from the mouth to the anus. And in these hollow organs, since it is made of hollow organs, so so what are the hollow organs? The mouth, to where you put the food inside, and the esophagus, they are like a tube. It's not it. So they are like a tube. So the food will enter inside the esophagus. Next is stomach. Same thing, like with the help of the sphincter, remember right, sphincter, so with the help of the sphincter, like the stomach will open and food will enter inside it. Next is the large intestine, next is the small intestine. So small intestine is also a tube, muscular tube. So same, it will enter. In one way, you can say that they are just like a pipe. You know, the pipe, inside the pipe of the water is to enter. Sorry. So in the same way, the gastrointestinal tract, they are just like a pipe through which the food like enters inside it. And the last is anus. So from food, stool, your stool comes out from the anus. Okay, and next is what the liver, pancreas, gallbladder, all these are the solid organs. They are compared to all these organs which we have discussed just now, compared to all those liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, they are solid organs. Solid organs means that they are a bit, their function is a bit stronger compared to all these organs. Did you understand this slide? Did you understand or not? Yes, you understand, yes or no? Huh?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, okay, so the GI tract, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, they are hollow organs. Hollow organs means what? Hollow means what? Holes are there. So that things can enter inside that organ. So they are a long tube starting from the mouth itself. You just imagine yourself eating something. So if you eat something, what happens? Obviously, you open your mouth. So it starts right from the mouth. So it's known as hollow. You understand? What happens? Some students are still doing because of memory issues or what? Okay. So they are a long tube, and it starts from what? Starts from the mouth till the anus. And what happens here? The hollow organs are known as what? Hollow organs such as mouth, which I said right now, the mouth. And next is esophagus. Esophagus is just right. I mean, and next is the hollow organs.
This is not clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Like, check.
This is not clear, ma'am.
Network issues. I'm having since yesterday this problem. So I can't allow my voice. Okay, so these are the hollow organs. This one, large intestine, small intestine, and last is the illness. So all these are the hollow organs. And the solid organs are what? The solid organs are liver, then this one pancreas and gallbladder. So all these are known as the solid organs. Is it clear, everyone? Are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the function of this gastrointestinal tract? They absorb all the, I mean, all the nutrients, whatever nutrients in there, they absorb everything. And what they do, they excrete all the waste products. After digestion, whatever is good for your body, they absorb all those. And the good nutrients, they absorb. And at the end, what they do, they excrete. They excrete and throw out. They throw out all the waste products, which was inside the body, which was there inside the body. So this is the first point. And second point, my network problem. Actually, I have changed my place also, but still I'm having network problem. I can't talk about it. I think it might be for 2 days. My network issues. Can't say about it. So the second function is what? The second function is they absorb all the products of digestion, such as what? Such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, then vitamins, and it goes into the bloodstream. Is it clear about the functions? Is it clear? Is it clear now? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Not clear. This is order of digestion. Food comes fast from absorbed from mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, and the next is rectum. This is the order. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, is it clear about order of digestion?
Yes.
Clear enough? And the esophagus, they are muscular tube which connects from the pharynx, also known as throat, till where to the stomach. And the esophagus, they contracts, they does contraction, which helps in moving the food till the stomach. So what is the oral cavity? So in the oral cavity, what happens in the oral cavity? As the food enters inside this, it will break down to smaller pieces with the help of heat, which is known as mastication. And yeah, okay. So now let's see about the interface. So in the interface happens, they are and they connect from mouth to the stomach. And what happens here is as it swallow food, as it chew, swallow food, they have and first is to contract. Contraction happens here in the esophagus. And after that, what happens? The food bolus. This is the food bolus. As you have eaten the food, what happens? The food bolus will go down, and they will contract. So this contraction is known as peristalsis. They will move just like a wave. They will move just like a wave, which is known as peristalsis, and they will move towards your stomach. So in this way, the food bolus is being moved with the help of contraction. I mean, with the help of the peristalsis. Is it clear? Peristalsis movement is important reflex. Involuntary is what? Which you can't control, which happens automatically. Next is the esophageal sphincter. So this is the sphincter, esophageal sphincter. So sphincter and both sphincter. Those sphincters are like what? Sphincters are like the natural way, like they are sort of door, you can say, so that it will automatically open. And as the food enters, it relax so the food can enter into the stomach. Okay, I will discuss till here for today. This is Mr. In the next class, I will continue it. Is it clear, everyone, till here?
Yes.
Okay, in the next class, I will continue with this.